Welcome back, science enthusiasts and nerds. Today we're diving deep into the fundamental building blocks of the universe. Elementary particles. These particles are not like your everyday objects. They are extremely small, invisible to the naked eye, and have properties that form the basis of all known matter in the universe. There are two main categories of elementary particles: fermions and bosons. Fermions are the particles that make up matter. These include the 6 flavors of quarks: up, down, charm, strange, top, and bottom, and the 6 leptons: electron, muon, tau, and their corresponding neutrinos. Bosons, on the other hand, are force-carrying particles. They mediate the 4 fundamental forces of nature: gravity, electromagnetism, the weak nuclear force, and the strong nuclear force. These include the photon, W and Z bosons, gluon, and the elusive Higgs boson, also known as the God particle. But what does it mean that these particles carry forces? Let's delve into this fascinating concept next. Let's start with photons, the particles of light, responsible for electromagnetic force. Photons allow atoms to interact, enabling the formation of molecules and essentially everything around us. Imagine life without photons. We'd be in perpetual darkness. Next, we have W and Z bosons, the mediators of the weak nuclear force. This force is responsible for radioactive decay and plays a vital role in the nuclear fusion of stars. The gluons, as the name suggests, are the glue that holds quarks together to form protons and neutrons, the building blocks of atomic nuclei. They mediate the strong nuclear force, which is the strongest of all but works at very tiny distances. Last but not least, we have the graviton, which is theorized to mediate gravity, although it has not yet been directly observed. And the Higgs boson? This particle gives other particles their mass through the Higgs field. Its discovery at the Large Hadron Collider in 2012 was a monumental achievement in particle physics. These particles and forces work together to create the universe as we know it, from galaxies down to you and me. Before we wrap up, let's take a sneak peek into an exciting area of research: the search for dark matter and dark energy. Despite their names, we don't know if they consist of particles or forces. It's a puzzle that scientists are striving to solve. Isn't it fascinating to know that everything around us, from the smallest grain of sand to the largest galaxy, is built from these elementary particles? And that these particles interact via these forces to create the beautiful complexity of the universe we live in? This has been just an overview, but it's an amazing starting point for our upcoming explorations. We've only scratched the surface of the mysterious and enthralling world of particle physics. We hope this video sparked your interest in the fundamental building blocks of our universe, because we'll be diving even deeper in our next episodes. Thank you all for joining me today on this incredible journey through the fascinating world of science and education. We've explored the depths of knowledge and discovered the wonders that surround us. See you in the next episode.